Ag360 automatically receives weather information from the Bureau of Meteorology on a daily basis. However, sometimes you may wish to enter your own rainfall information. This is done by adding a rain gauge and then linking paddocks to that rain gauge. The button to add a rain gauge is on the left-hand side of the page. Choose this, then click on the map to set a rain gauge location. Once you've named and saved your rain gauge, right-click on the gauge and select Edit Rainfall and assign paddocks. The first step is to link paddocks to this rain gauge. So go to the Paddocks Using Gauge tab and check the box for the paddocks corresponding to this rain gauge. Some of these paddocks have already been assigned to a separate rain gauge, and so a checkbox will not appear for these. Once you've chosen your paddocks, return to the Recorded Rainfall tab. Under this tab, you can enter your own rainfall records, which will overwrite the BOM records. So if BOM has recorded 3 mils of rainfall, but you measured 5, enter 5 in the Observed Rainfall column and press Tab or Enter to save the entry. If you make a mistake, just delete that record. The recorded BOM rainfall, or your own observed rainfall measurements, will be applied to the linked paddocks for this rain gauge. To enter irrigation for a paddock, right-click on the paddock itself, select Pasture and Irrigation, and go to the Rain and Irrigation tab. Here you can check to see which rain gauge this paddock is linked to, if any, or select one. You can view the rainfall records from BOM, from the rain gauge, and you can also enter irrigation information in millimetres. Go to the blue Info button if you need any help to convert megalitres to millimetres. Irrigation is best entered over 4 to 5 days to avoid the soil moisture model from assuming that a large proportion of the water will run off.